Welcome to the TES-NG Basic Modeling chapter. Starting from this lesson, we will begin road network modeling operations. The first step to start your modeling project is to import a background map. Click on View and Road Network Scale Parameters. Select the image you downloaded previously. Next, adjust the scene width and height to match the scope of your modeling area. Finally, click Save. You can zoom the operation interface using the mouse scroll wheel to easily view the overall layout and details. After importing the background map, you need to click on the Ratio Scale toolbar. Select a starting point in the map, right-click and drag it to the endpoint. Enter the actual length of this line segment to calibrate the scale. This road segment is 5.5 meters long in real-world scenarios. If you wish to hide the background map or grid, simply open the Road Network Scale Parameters tool we covered earlier. To turn them off,